Hi, everybody. Today is Monday, March 25th, and I'm recording a short message for our statics class. Um, so the first thing I'll do, of course, is come over here and share the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. I have updated a little bit about our schedule. So you'll notice, for example, that today we should be watching um, video 28, and that you should just handed in the homework for chapter 6. So that means that you're getting started on the homework for chapter 7 today. The next thing I wanted to point out is that this weekend is our Easter recess, or spring recess as it's called. So there's no class on Friday or on Monday. So what that means for us is that next Monday, a week from today, we won't be meeting face to face. So I've scheduled an optional Zoom meeting for Tuesday, April 3rd, Wednesday, same classroom, SM 137. Um, if you would like to, if you would like to attend. Now, the other thing I want to remind you of is you always have the option of contacting me through Calendly. So if you take a look at my um, email page, let me show you just a second. If you look at my email page, and if you all right, I just want to make sure. If you look at my email, if you email me, you can see that at the bottom of each one of my emails is a link for calendly.com. This is also on our Moodle page, but you can hit that and schedule a time with me any time that you would like, anytime that you need help. So I would really love to see you next Wednesday, but if that doesn't work for you, please just schedule a meeting and we will take care of whatever is on your mind at that time. Now, there are a couple of other things I wanted to point out going back to our class schedule. Um, Even though it's not a day when we would normally meet, April 16th, which is, excuse me, April 16th, which is a Tuesday, right here, is going to be our advising day. Now, right now, the schedule for summer and fall is available to you. So if you wish to come make an appointment with me on Calendly, come see me, we can set your schedule anytime. So don't hesitate to do that. If you want to do it before April 16th, that is just fine with me. It sort of spreads out my schedule a little bit. So I actually kind of like it. So anyway, keep that in mind. The next thing, and this is not on the schedule, but next Tuesday, not tomorrow, but the following Tuesday, which would be April 2nd at 3 o'clock in the drafting lab, there's an NWC engineering alum who is coming to Northwest College recruiting for full-time engineers, for full-time drafters, and for summer interns. The company is located in Billings, Montana, and it looks like it's a small civil engineering firm where you could practice some of your engineering skills as well as drafting and office and field experience as well. So keep that in mind. 3 o'clock Tuesday, April 2nd, in the drafting lab. And we will be serving pizza. So come if you can do so. All right. So in the meantime, please continue working through your material. I will get on and I'll grade homework 6 in just a couple of days after I give everybody a chance to submit. And then I will look forward to hearing from you in the future when I can help you. So have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.